Alright, my people, so welcome back to another video. Yeah, so the pan work as usual. Yeah, start the house in the morning. Yeah, so don't catch my square line and thing. Yeah, so this is my square line. Yeah. So reason why we start up this up here so the floor kinda high. So we'll take it off a higher point. Yeah. So try to see if we can knock out this here feed here. Yeah. So what the pan here go and do what we can do.
Alright people, the floor are notch out, preparation for the tile bed. Yeah. Yeah, people, this is how it is done. Professional tiling work at its best.
The one I want, get a late start. Late start, okay, but we are trying to see how we can push in here. How much as we can take over right. Subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. There's some fat piece of ceramic. Bigger and little size different. Yeah, man. With the tile then can understand and talk about the different tile and I work out the best possible way. And when we're done with it, that will look good. people, so we're going to cut out some tile right now. So we have all of them have been dropped in. Yeah, so mainly pieces left right now. A whole of tile comes straight across the back. Yeah, so them pieces, yeah. Some pieces I cut out, them not drop in as yet. Yeah. So all of them I cut out, not drop in. We basically finishing so as I said. Just have to drop in and out. Yeah, so we have do some cutting out. Yeah. So decide to left and right and out. Yes, my people, so we have some cutting out to do. You know, close up that section, yeah? So we get all of the pieces them out of the way. Yeah. Yeah, them two pieces, so. Right from this up to the line. Yeah. So I'm going to close off the little section here now. Yeah, get things going. Yeah. Tape supposed in a bucket. So alright, my people, close off round and down now. Copying the last little piece in the camera. Yeah. So everything close off. Yeah, we're going to take round so now, take that stretcher. So we can line up, go in our room. Yeah. So, as I say, one little piece left in our corner there. Yeah, so that drop in. Yeah. So the on target. Yeah, feel it nice and sweet. Yeah, so we are going to head in here now. So we're going to line up. Yeah, turn on the room. So my people, so yeah, line up in here now. Try and mark out the tile around the doorway. So go through the passage. Yeah, so we are take that side there now. Line up this. Going to the bathroom. Yeah, so we are mark out the tile there. Then we have another closet in here, so. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what we're doing right now. Alright, my people, so yeah, this is how we reach on the place. So right now we have them corner you have to drop in. So as I can see. Yeah, there's them couple pieces we have to drop in here, so yeah, place kinda knock out. Yeah man. So come in and place and now everything done in here, so. Yeah, we have, yeah, so now couple little pieces drop in here, so now We're gonna build a ledge, put up the shower. So cut out them tile, drop them in. So upstairs almost done. I have a porch this of it though. They want them on the sunroom up on it at the same time, so you know. So yeah, we'll come in so. Yeah, so all I is done with just some grout to drop in. Yeah, so this is how the place look, my people. Yeah, man. So in the way I try to show you the good work them. Yeah, and I want to say big up to the mason man them anytime they reach on site. Trust me, I have to make them put their number upon the ear for. Trust me, see that? Yo, the man then do some work here. Brilliant. Yeah, man. See a man, they render up a place and it's nice and sweet. Look there. Yeah, man, I have to highlight their work. Yeah. Well, I say, man, they do a good job. Yeah, man. Man, they do a good job. The man make some of the mason man they look like cobbler. Yeah, man, look on the man in wall. Yeah, man, when I say, man, they do a good job. Yeah, man, they work neat, man. Yeah, man, so as I say, the mason man, I'm a boss, man, trust me. They do a good job. Yeah, man. And you know when you see good work, we have to highlight it. Yeah. So yes, my people, so as I said, this is our reach. So we're going to drop in them few pieces now. Yeah. We have a porch to do, but as you can see, the porch kind of pack up still. So we have to do downstairs first, and then we'll come back to the porch. Yeah, see all I tile them there. Yeah. So place look good, my people, nice and sweet. Alright, my people, so right now clean up the floor. Ready to do some grouting. So as you can see, some 22 by 22. Yeah, ceramic. Look like a porcelain one them. Nice style. Yeah man, so as Mr. We're going to do some grouting. Yeah, so we'll do a little cleaning up. Yeah, so we want to get all out that's a growth up. Yeah. So I'll tile drop in. Clean up. Get some growth down on the floor. Yeah, man. But at the same time, I'm going to growth in. Get some growth on the growth. What you will see anyway. Because I can see some work going on it, so. Yeah, so this is how we do right now. Alright, okay, see if we can grow up the floor. Yeah, so we're in the growing process right now. Alright, my peeps, so there, so floor growth up. I do some wipe off and out. Yeah, so take time to wipe off the growth, you know. So we'll growth up whole another section. Yeah, so we have roundness if we do same way. Yeah, we have all around us if we growth up. Yeah, so as we say, growth up that section and the clean up. Yeah, so this is how the action look like so far. And as we say, do some wiping off, you know. We have some baseboard I want to drop onto. So, yeah, as we go along, just going to see if we can run out some growth on it. Alright, my people, so done growth up, baseboard put on. Yeah, so as you can see, Yeah, drop some baseboard on the place. Yeah, so we just put on as far as where the cabinet can go. Yeah. So as I said, we're done and grow it up. Yeah, so this is how the baseboard look like. Yeah. So we just put on the cabinet region. Yeah, so you know, so all of them place on our cabinet right round. Right round cabinet and can't stop right this up. Yeah, so this is how the floor look like. As I said, we're done and grow it up. Yeah. So here's for people. Yes, the floor looking good. Yeah, surround us and one in the bedroom. Now you have the little passage as well. Yeah, so this is how the bedroom look like. As I say, everything done and grow up. Yeah, looking good so far. Yeah, man. So no baseboard in the bedroom. You know, just in the living room. Yeah. So, closet. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Yeah. Same tile go up on the wall. Yeah, so that's the ledge for the shower. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe my people. Leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell me what you think about the job. Yeah. So I'm gonna say everything gonna grow up right now. Yeah, so we have the porch. Yeah, but there's some work I go on upon it, so we can't do nothing on that as yet. So, yeah. This is the main door. Yeah, so this is the door to the bedroom. So I'm gonna set the place wood out so far. Yeah. Nice and sweet. Yeah, so we get up here so covered. Yeah, so we're gonna move downstairs now. Yeah, we have the whole of downstairs to do. Yeah, so once we get this done, right down the way I go. So the only thing left to do up here, so as I say, is just the porch and the bathroom. Yeah. But I guess the porch are the last thing. You know, they're gonna put up some ballast and all type of things, so tile them pack up on it same way. So we just have to work around that for the time being. Yeah, but we're looking good so far, you know. Yeah, man. Nice style.